So x is a positive integer less than 140, and we also know that 35x over 100 is an integer. Let's simplify that a little bit just to make our life easier. That's the same thing as, we can divide by 5. We end up with 7x over 20. So 7x over 20 is an integer. Also, x is an integer. So if 7 times x is divisible by 20, that must mean that x is divisible by 20. There's no way that 7x divided by 20 could be an integer if x itself were not divisible by 20. So that means x is a multiple of 20. We also know that x is less than 140, so we can just list all the possibilities. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Those are all the multiples of 20 that are less than 140. So how many different positive prime factors could x have? We can just look at the prime factorization of each of these numbers and figure it out from there. So the prime factorization of 20, it's 4 times 5, and 4 is 2 to the second power times 5. 40 is 8 times 5, which is 2 to the third times 5. 60 is 4 times 15, so it's 2 to the 2 squared times 5 times 3. 80 is that 2 cubed again, 8, but then times another 2 times 5 for 10, so it's actually 2 to the 4th times 5. 100, 2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25, 4 times 25 is 100. And then 120 is 8 times 15, so it's 2 cubed again times 3 times 5. So in all cases, there are only 3 different prime factors that can be here, 2, 3, and 5. Even though they're in different powers, there's still only 3 of them. So it's answer choice B.